Savannah.
I'm JC.
And today we have a very important topic, the future of energy.
We all know coal, oil, and natural gas are non-renewable resources and are bad for the environment.
So what do you guys think about using wave power and E. coli? More on waves with JC.
This is just one example of the tidal dams in the tidal farm in Scotland. Water is collected and spins a turbine, creating energy.
The Scots certainly think so. They have the world's biggest wave farm approved this year. It supplies 10% of Europe's tidal power potential. It powers nearly 30,000 homes. It is certainly a more predictable energy source. Now, this energy source can only power nearshore cities and can have negative effects on ecosystems. That's all I have on waves. Back to Savannah in the studio.
Scientists have genetically engineered the E. coli cell to produce a hydrocarbon molecule we can use for fuel. If we can pump out the hydrocarbon molecule, it mimics petroleum. Conventional biofuels like ethanol have to be blended with traditional fuels so the engines don't detect their presence. However, biofuel can go straight into the engine. One downside of this is if we harness it, it can potentially kill the cell.
Okay, this is E. coli, and it lives in your intestinal tract. As soon as it gets offside from that, that's when it can cause illnesses. And it usually comes from contaminated meat.
So now let's take a look at some of the other energy sources we can use. There's wind energy, which is powered by this lovely windmill. It's an energy source that is free, non-polluting, and it should increase in the next 50 years.
It takes up a lot of space though. The weather isn't always windy. The windmills are also very loud. The windmills also kill those poor migrating birds.
Like ducks?
Yes, exactly.
I've heard that every 3 ducks should die by the windmill.
Isn't that just horrible?
And then here's a closer look up at our picture, and it explains how the wind turns the wheel, which makes the energy from the turbine and gives us electricity. So yeah.
Just like all the other non-renewable resources that we use. Now, Savannah, we have coal.
Yes, coal is what we are all currently using, and it is used to power our cars and everything that we have that's electric is usually powered by it.
Besides transportation.
Yes, and it is easy, it's transportable, and that is good.
But the mining, those poor people in the mines, it's so dangerous in there and deadly. Plus, coal emits so much pollution in the air, it's so sad. The greenhouse gases are also a very big concern for me.
Like, I don't know if I can't have White Christmas. I want that snow.
Yes. So the process to make coal for us to use, it starts off with mining, then you transport it to the coal yard where a big mound of coal is in the yard. Then you break down or powderize the coal to make it easier to burn. Then you put it in the boiler and add water, and as you can see, water is added and the steam rises and turns a turbine and creates electricity.
Wait, so you're saying coal is actually makes electricity?
I am saying that.
It's the steam?
It is the steam.
Well, that is a heavy topic.
It is.